आप सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर।
हमने स्टार्ट किया था, वी हैव स्टार्टेड स्टोइचियोमेट्री, राइट? हाउ टू राइट फॉर्मूला, हाउ टू राइट फॉर्मूला हमने कर लिया था, ठीक है?
Sir, the molecular
ये
formula also. Empirical
मॉलिक्यूलर
and
फॉर्मूला
molecular
आल्सो,
formula.
empirical and molecular formula also, right? Now construct word equation, symbol equation, ionic equation to show how reactants and products including state symbol, right? Deduce the symbol equation with the state symbol for a chemical reaction given relevant information. Okay. Now how to write? Topic is how to write chemical equation. Yes. What is chemical equation? Yes. What is chemical equation?
Sir, the chemical equation is it's a equation which shows the chemical reactions, how what are the products and what are the reactants.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Anyone? How to write? How to write chemical equation? क्या आप में से कोई बता सकता है हाउ टू राइट आयनिक इक्वेशन? हाउ टू राइट केमिकल इक्वेशन?
Sir, for chemical equation, how to write is like we have to write the products on the left side, and then the reactants, sorry, the reactants on the left side, and then the product on the right side.
Okay. So how to write the chemical equation? So chemical equation. Let's suppose on the left hand side you have reactant. Arrow indicates conversion. So reactant react and form product. Reactant react and product is formed. तो बेटा याद रख लेना, किसी भी इक्वेशन को केमिकल इक्वेशन कहते किसे? इट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो भाई व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्वेशन? रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. किसी भी रिएक्शन को जाहिर करना केमिकल इक्वेशन कहलाता है. रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड chemical equation that displays reactant and product with chemical formula for example A plus B gives C. Now tell me the name of the reactant. Yes, tell me the name of the reactant. हाँ भाई,
Sir, A
रिएक्टेंट
and
के
B.
नाम A and B are reactant. Very good. These are reactant. And name the product.
Sir, C.
C is product. This is example number 1. ओ भाई अच्छी तरह समझना, ये केमिस्ट्री की बुनियाद है, बेस है। अगर आपको समझ ना आए तो मुझे बता देना, मैं दोबारा रिपीट करूंगा, रिपीट करूंगा, रिपीट करूंगा। और खुदा के लिए लाइव क्लास, वर्चुअल क्लास बहुत मुश्किल है। इसमें आपको बातें करनी चाहिए, इसमें आपको पूछना चाहिए, जैसे माशाल्लाह उमर और साथ करते हैं। आप पूछें, मुझे बताएं, मुझसे पूछें, मैं आपसे पूछूं, तो जब भी क्लास इंटरेक्टिव बनेगी, वरना बेकार है ऑनलाइन क्लास लेना। नाउ CH4, दिस इज कॉल्ड मीथेन plus O2 produce carbon dioxide and water. बताइए, बताइए रिएक्टेंट, बताइए रिएक्टेंट।
Sir, here the reactant is CH4 and O2.
Reactants are CH4 and O2. Very good. These are reactants. Now product. Tell me the name of the product. Product के नाम बताएं।
Carbon dioxide
Sir,
and water.
Very good. Carbon dioxide and water. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्केलेटन इक्वेशन। देखो वो इक्वेशन, मेरी बात गौर से सुनना, which show formula of the reactant and the product, and there is no relative amount is shown. Relative amount means how many CH4, how many how much oxygen, how much methane react to form carbon dioxide and water. Such equation is called Scalton equation. एक ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसके अंदर ये तो लिखा हो कि कौन कौन रिएक्ट करके प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हो, लेकिन ये ना लिखा हो कि कितने मिलके बना रहे हो, उसको कहते हैं स्केलेटन इक्वेशन। द इक्वेशन that shows only formula of the reactant and product। क्या मतलब है कि खाली रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्मूले लिखे हो, विदाउट रिलेटिव अमाउंट, विदाउट रिलेटिव अमाउंट।
सर ये विदाउट रिलेटिव अमाउंट से क्या मुराद?
बेटा रिलेटिव अमाउंट से मुराद ये है कि लिखा ना हो कि कितना ग्राम, कितने मोल, क्या रेशो क्या है, ये सब ना लिखा हो। आप देख सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ on the left hand side you have 4 hydrogen, but on right hand side you have only 2 hydrogen। आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है?
यस सर। सर यानी अगर 4CO2 लिखा हुआ होता तो फिर ये स्केलेटन इक्वेशन नहीं रहती।
स्केलेटन इक्वेशन नहीं होती, वो तो फिर आपकी प्रॉपर इक्वेशन हो जाती है ना।
ठीक है।
क्या स्टेट सिंबल लिखा हुआ है? बताएं। मीथेन इज गैस, लिक्विड और सॉलिड, ये भी नहीं लिखा हुआ।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ये भी नहीं लिखा हुआ। तो ये वाली आपकी बिल्कुल प्रॉपर इक्वेशन होगी। देखें, CH4 गैशियस प्लस O2 गैशियस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैशियस प्लस H2O गैशियस।
So basically H2O in gaseous form.
No, it is in the liquid form. But you know that we have steam. Steam is gas, and the formula is same H2O.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bhai, these are natural physical states. Natural physical state. Natural physical state. Natural physical state. Natural physical state. All are natural physical state. Now, important symbols. Very, very important. Symbols. Symbols in chemical equation. Symbols in chemical equation. बोले बेटा, प्लस का क्या मतलब है?
Sir, add.
At. Whenever you have multiple product, multiple reactant, this sign is used. When we have many reactants and products, this sign is used.
Which means are the
For
plus or
example,
equal?
plus, plus, plus.
Okay. Now second is arrow. बोले इसका क्या मतलब है? Like it's basically shows equals to
Equal to
show
or
what
yield.
this creates. What
Yield sign. This is yield sign. क्या बन रहा है? And this mark also separate reactant from product. बेटा, रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के बीच में ये एरो बना होता है जो सेपरेट करता है रिएक्टेंट को प्रोडक्ट से। सेपरेट
sir.
रिएक्टेंट फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट। बोले आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir. Sir,
जी बोले।
sir, why do we use an arrow not is equal to sign?
You can also use arrow in some book. Some writers use is equal to sign, right? Another reason is that whenever you use this sign, this sign indicate reversible reaction. So student may confuse between the equal to mark and this mark. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So it means
Sir, but so
yield,
if
yes,
so
yes,
as if it can be reversible, it means it's a physical change.
reversible means reactant convert into product and product again convert into reactant.
So what is this sensor? This one.
It means mark of the reversibility.
Okay.
Mostly reactions are irreversible. So this mark is used. It means reactant 100% convert into product. But when reactant convert into product and product again convert into reactant, reversible, this mark is used. So yield sign for reversible reaction. Yes, this mean this mean this mean and this mean
Solid
and
state, liquid state, gas state, and aqueous state.
very good, very good, very good. S means solid state. L means liquid state. G means gaseous state.
And aqueous.
Aqueous. Aqueous means dissolve in water. Aqueous state. Aqueous का मतलब होता है पानी में कोई डिजोल्व हो उसे कहते हैं aqueous.
Sir, I have
This
doubt.
indicates
Like,
yes.
why? How can chemical reaction be reversible? How?
It's a fact that for example you make a biryani. Biryani need chicken, right? When you sacrifice chicken to make biryani, this is irreversible reaction. We never see that uh, all the bones, all the flesh combined together and a hand is reformed, right? This is irreversible. But in chemistry, we have some reactions, right, which are reversible. So in reversible reaction, reactant react and form product in the same time. Product again form reactant.
So it's an exception.
Yes, few reactions. Few reactions
Okay.
are. Now another is triangle. Triangle means heat. Triangle means provide heat. Triangle means provide heat. Any question?
So what do you mean by provide heat? Like, where do we use this triangle?
In few reactions are not happen in room temperature, right? They need heat, right? You have to provide heat. That's why heat is written.
Okay.
Now next is hmm, Now next is now next heading is any question which you would like to ask. any question, कोई भी ऐसे सवाल जो आप पूछना चाहते हैं.
No, sir.
Now word equation. Word equation. For example, tea leaves plus milk plus sugar plus water. Yes, what is the product?
T
Sir,
I
it
S.
is equal to. So it is equal to T.
This is called word equation. Example number 2. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid give sodium chloride plus water. Now, can anyone tell me the name of the reactant?
Sir, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid.
Very good. So these are reactants. These are products. Next is now symbol equation. This is Na, this is OH, sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. NaCl is formed. Water is H2O. This is called symbol equation. This is called word equation. बोले बात समझ आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है यार?
Yes,
आ
sir.
रही है.
चलिए अब आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, अब आप मुझे बताएंगे, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. एल्यूमिनियम प्लस कॉपर 2 ऑक्साइड प्लस एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कॉपर. Yes, anyone tell me the symbol equation? Yes, what is the symbol of aluminium?
Al, sir.
Al. Very good. Now, what is copper oxide? Yes, what is copper oxide? What is the symbol of copper?
Sir, copper oxide is CuO.
CuO, correct. Now, what is the formula of aluminum oxide?
Yellow.
ALO. Now, can you tell me the group number of aluminum?
Cu.
No. What is the group number of aluminum?
Sir, 3.
3. So, right here 3. And what is the group number of oxygen?
6.
6. तो बताइए ग्रुप नंबर 6 है तो उस पे चार्ज मैंने लिखाया था, क्या होता ग्रुप 6 का?
-2 होगा सर।
-2, तो एल्युमिनियम के नीचे 2। मैंने लास्ट क्लास में लिखवाया था। करवाया था ना, बताइए।
Yes, sir. In the one of the DIs below.
One of the DIs. इसको छोड़ देते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं। चलिए जी, Al2O3 प्लस कॉपर, बताइए कॉपर क्या है?
Cu.
चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। बताइए
Sir?
इक्वेशन बैलेंस है?
Sir, but if like this here, if Al is not more reactive than Cu, then the reaction doesn't happen here. If only if Al is more reactive, then it would like switch
Yes,
here.
but here we only balance and write the equation, right? So we are not discussing possibility of the reaction. So aluminum plus copper oxide, they must react because examiner
Okay.
write the product, right? So can you tell me the equation is balanced or not balanced?
Unbalanced, sir.
Unbalanced. तो बता सकते हैं कि what is the number of aluminum on the right hand side?
2.
Sir, 2.
2. 2. So on the left hand side you must have
2
2.
also.
Now can you tell me number of oxygen
Sir,
here?
3.
3.
3. So
So
we should have 3
so
on
you
the
have to
reactive side.
write 3 in this side. Can you tell me the number of copper on the right hand side?
Sir, I think this one is incorrect.
सर 1 होगा तो
Yes.
3 हो जाएगा कॉपर।
3. So उधर भी 3 हो जाएगा कॉपर पे। Now the equation is balanced.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
instead of like writing 3 besides Cu, could we have done like CuO3?
CuO3. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Oxidation
No,
state is
okay.
given, which is 2. So copper is 2, oxygen is 2, 2 cancel. So no need to write anything. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Next question. Magnesium oxide plus nitric acid give magnesium nitrate plus water. Now, yes,
Sir, for magnesium, what would be Mg and oxide would be O2. So MgO2 for the first one.
Can you repeat?
Sir, MgO2.
MgO2. Now, can you tell me group number of magnesium? ओ भाई आप सब देख सकते हैं मैग्नीशियम का ग्रुप नंबर बताएं क्या है?
Sir, magnesium, it's group 2 and oxygen is group 6.
6. It means 2.
Yeah, so both of them have 2.
So,
So it will be
so
cancelled out.
again they are cancelled out. Now what is nitric acid? You have to memorize the formula of the nitric acid. Nitric acid is HNO3. आपको याद करना पड़ेगा नाइट्रिक एसिड. नाइट्रिक एसिड इज HNO3. Now what is magnesium nitrate?
MgNO3
Yes.
हो जाएगा.
MgNO3. Now can you tell me the charge on magnesium?
+2.
+2, so right here 2. And you know that nitrate has -1. मैंने लास्ट क्लास में कराया था आपको ये सब चीजें. फॉर्मूला लिखते वक्त ये लिखा दिया था. ये रहा, ये लिखा हुआ. यस भाई बोले ना यार, वाटर का फॉर्मूला बोले ना.
फिर प्लस
H2O, sir.
H2 हो जाएगा.
+H2O.
Yeah.
आप मुझे बताइए राइट हैंड साइड पे हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम?
1.
एक ही है सर.
1. And on the left hand side you have
1.
1. So magnesium is balanced. So how many nitrate are there?
हाँ 2 हैं सर.
2 है 2. So you should write here 2. Now remaining equation is balanced. Here you have 2 hydrogen. Here you have 2 hydrogen. Here you have 6 + 1 7 hydrogen. 2 3s are 6 + 1 7 hydrogen. Oxygen. बोलो भाई समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
और है सर.
ठीक हो गया माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Now question number 3. Copper carbonate plus hydrochloric acid copper 2 chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water.
सर हमने
Yes,
कॉपर 2 क्लोराइड की
ये given है. Copper 2 chloride given है.
ओके
ये सॉलिड होता है, ये एक्वस होता है, ये भी एक्वस होता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस होती है, वाटर लिक्विड होता है. चलिए शाबाश, जल्दी से बताइए इसकी इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी? बोले ना यार. कॉपर कार्बोनेट.
Sir, copper, what is the charge of copper?
सर CO2
कॉपर इज +2.
CO2 हो जाएगा.
Okay, okay.
हाँ बोले क्या होगा?
CO2.
Cu. देखिए मैंने लिखा था कार्बोनेट क्या होता है, CO3 होता है. कार्बोनेट इज CO3 2-.
CuCO3 हो जाएगा।
So carbonate is CuCO3. Copper is 2, carbonate is 2. So 2
Cancel out.
cancel out. So copper carbonate is solid. Yes, what is the
Sir,
formula
if
of
it's sir, if it's
yes?
CuCO3, then after like the switching, yeah, shouldn't it be like Cu3CO2?
If the valency of the carbonate is -3, then you can write Cu3.
Okay.
We always write charge of carbonate under this and charge of copper under this. If already 3 is written, then you can use bracket. Now tell me the formula of hydrochloric acid.
HCl.
HCl. This is aqueous. Then
UCl हो जाएगा सर।
Sir,
Cu
CuCl.
Cu2Cl.
Sir, Cu2Cl. Yeah.
Cu.
No,
I
Cu.
don't know. Yes, chlorine is -1, copper is 2.
C-
So formula is
CuCl2.
CuCl2. Now what is the formula of carbon dioxide?
CO2.
This is liquid, this is gaseous, this is aqueous. Yes, the equation is balanced or not balanced?
सर क्लोरीन वहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे एक है HCl।
So write here 2. Now again check the other element.
सर अब बैलेंस है।
अब balance, copper is balanced, carbon is balanced, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced.
So it's balanced now. It's a balanced equation.
Sorry, all the
Balance हो
remaining
गया ना
are
सर?
balanced. Yeah, बिल्कुल balance हो गया, बिल्कुल balance हो गया. Now deduce chemical equation. Now let's suppose aluminium burns in chlorine. To form the white solid. Aluminium chloride. Aluminum chloride. Write balanced equation. Yes.
Sir, Al.
Yes. Al.
Al plus Cl will
Al
form
AlC.
AlCl3.
plus Cl2 give AlCl3. So how to balance? We need 3 here. And 2 here, 2 here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it balanced?
It's balanced, sir.
Yes.
Chlorine gas, aluminum solid.
Sir, for this
Yes.
to pick we have to write state also, yeah.
Yes, state symbol along with balance coefficient.
Sir, is it okay if in the above the element we can write like the charge like plus 3 minus 1, so that yeah.
These are called ionic equation. We will
Okay.
discuss later.
Sir, what if you don't know the state of the element?
You have to memorize all those steps.
Okay.
Next is ionic equation. Ionic equation. So HCl aqueous, KOH aqueous. They decompose into ions. So H positive aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. In the KOH, K positive aqueous plus OH negative aqueous. So if you want to write HCl plus KOH, so HCl means KOH means K positive, OH negative. So the ionic equation would be
CLOH.
CLOH yes,
Sir, I don't get this.
okay. Now listen. When they combine, it means HCl they form now we are going to write the ionic equation. सही है? Now water is formed plus K positive, Cl negative is formed.
Sir, if it's written plus or minus only, it means that the charge is only plus 1, yeah, plus 1 minus 1.
Exactly. So these ions are cancelled out.
Sir, why would there be H2O?
H2 is the product.
So it's basically mean that H plus and OH minus will form H2O.
Yes, this is ionic equation for water. So for acid base, this equation is must. Are you getting my point or not?
Sir, then why don't we write the KCl also? Why do we write K plus
Because
plus Cl minus?
K positive cancel out with K positive, and Cl negative is cancelled out with Cl negative.
So then we just write K plus Cl.
Yes, you can write, but you know that K positive and K positive are cancelled out. Cl negative and Cl negative are cancelled out. This H
Sir,
positive
why
is
can't
not cancelled
sir why can't K and Cl be equal to KCl?
because they dissociate in water. Because they dissociate in water.
So basically we're writing two formulas.
Yes, I just split the formula. Just split it the formula. KCl is ionic. It is split into K positive and Cl negative. So these two ions cancel out. These are called spectator ion. K positive, Cl negative are spectator ion. These are called spectator ion.
So sir, then the final product is just H2O.
Yes, final product is H2O.
Sir, why do we write then H plus OH minus as H2O, and why don't we write it as H plus plus OH minus?
Because these are separate ions. They are derived from HCl and KOH.
Okay, sir.
Yes, are you getting ionic, how to write the ionic equation? बोले आपको समझ आया हाउ टू राइट आयनिक इक्वेशन?
जी सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
ठीक हो गया. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
how do you know like if some elements are like spectator?
Those which are cancelled out. Now
Okay.
H2SO4 plus NaOH. Now in H2SO4, you have 2 hydrogen plus sulfate 2 minus. This is Na positive and OH negative. So 2 Na are required. So you know that spectator ions. क्या ऐसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं भाई? सो रहे हो तुम लोग यार?
Yes, sir. We can
वो
cancel this.
कैसे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं? ये तो सॉलिड है ना,
Huh?
एक्वस थोड़ी है ये.
Oh, okay.
ये स्पेक्टेटर आइन थोड़ी है. तो लिहाजा इसकी भी आने की इक्वेशन ऐसी बनेगी। बोले बात समझ आ रही है? बोलो ना यार, इक्वेशन बैलेंस है।
Sir, how do
बोलते
we know that? Okay, so Na2SO4 is solid and SO4 is gas.
SO4 is gas. These are aqueous ions.
No, but okay, so this is aqueous and that is solid.
Yes, when they combine, solid is formed. चलो बेटे यहीं तक ही रखते हैं। अगली क्लास में इंशाल्लाह मैं थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देके आपको कवर करूंगा सारा। हमें मोल्स करना है अगली क्लास में, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Sure, thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
बेटा मुझे बात सुनना है, आप लोगों को समझ आ रही है मेरी केमिस्ट्री? बोले
Yes,
केमिस्ट्री
sir.
समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
बस ठीक है, अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है। मेरी अभी असल में दूसरी क्लास भी है ना, तो इसलिए मैं इसको एंड कर रहा हूँ अभी 3-4 मिनट पहले, ठीक है? चलो अल्लाह हाफिज है।
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
अल्लाह हाफिज।